This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, and welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start here with the Nasdaq100. Going into the open today, we was actually trading significantly in the green, up around 1.3% up at those swing highs, and we did touch areas of around 11,570. But shortly after the market opened, we actually had a pretty aggressive pullback. This is the hourly chart, of course, which shows you of that pullback that did occur. And this was because we had some job number that come out, of course, the open job lots, and it come in quite a lot stronger than expected. And of course, that's quite fearful going into tomorrow's Fed minutes meeting, because the job market is one of the Fed's main focuses. And if that's still strong, then the Fed's going to continue to be hawkish. And I think that's the big question that kind of is hovering above the market at this moment in time is, tomorrow is a case of trick or treat. Is the Fed going to come out and strike a slightly more dovish tone, just like many other central banks that we've heard across the globe as of recent, like the Bank of Canada, for example, last week? We got that 0.5 basis point hike versus the 0.75 basis point that was expected. So are we going to hear something along those lines from Jerome Powell, or are we going to be told that, we're going to continue to be aggressive? We may still see a 75 basis point hike next month. We could see a 0.5 basis point hike in February. And if that is the case, then you can expect this market to sell off rather significantly. We are still trading in this uptrend at this moment in time, but there's nothing to say that we can't go and backtest at 0.23 February, which is down at around 11,209, or, perhaps even the downtrend itself. So I do expect this market to continue to be very volatile. I think that on the daily, we are capped at this moment in time by that 50-day EMA and then the 50-day moving average, and we're still technically trading in this downtrend. We haven't really had that clear clarification that we've broken out here. We're just treading water very carefully, putting pressure towards the upside. But I'd say definitely right now the risk is to the downside. There's nothing stopping us from going back testing this uptrend that we've been trading in now since those lows on the 13th of October earlier on last month. So I would be cautious here, especially going into tomorrow's meeting, guys. I think it's all about the Fed and whether they are going to strike a more dovish or hawkish tone.